In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to turn off mouse acceleration in Stalker 2. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly disable mouse acceleration altogether when playing Stalker 2. This will be done by modifying a specific INI file before running the game, so you won't be able to do this process inside. To start and find this file, press Windows plus R or open the Run window and then go to percentage local app data percentage. When you click OK, this will take you immediately into this folder, app data local. You can also go here by going into your user and then selecting the same folders that I mentioned. Inside of App Data Local, go to Stalker 2. You might have a bunch of folders, but I isolated only the ones that matter. So you will go into the Saved folder, go into the Config folder, and depending on where you are playing Stalker 2, either on Steam or on other versions, you will either see Windows or WinGDK. Just open the appropriate folder where you are playing. Inside of this folder, you will have a lot of INI files, and one of them is going to be input.ini. All that you have to do here is right-click this file and choose the option to edit in Notepad. You can also use other text editors or open Notepad and then just drag that file inside. Now, once you have opened this file, this is what you have to type. You can find this by going into this Reddit post as well. So if you look for mouse input lag fix, you can also find the same command that I'm showing you. So you can copy it from this Reddit post, and as long as you have it here, you just save this file. Always remember to save the notepad that you are making, and you will be good to go. As you can clearly see, this will disable mouse smoothing and then mouse acceleration. I hope I was able to help you on how to turn off mouse acceleration Stalker 2. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.